Good evening, everyone. And now we're looking at the gold chart XAU USD. I'll just give you a full shot of that. We'll go full screen. Wall Street just opened in New York at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. And what are we seeing here? All day long, gold has just been kind of up and down. This is the Asian session you see over here in the gray color from the morning till the afternoon when London opened right here. And this is the Asian high, started off this morning. And this is the Asian low down here. So then London mostly went sideways. They pushed it up a little bit later in the session and then started pushing it down and came down here and took out the Asian low and then actually took out the previous day low from the New York session yesterday, not the all-time low from yesterday. Yesterday, the Asian low was lower than the New York low. Go really close to the previous low, the previous day low for yesterday. And then we had that, yeah, that's a liquidity grab. All right. And then we had to move back up, and now we got to move back down. So I've only taken one trade today, and that was on this candle here. I got in right about in here, and then got out for about a $5 move, 50 pips, before it started to turn around and go the other direction. And now we're just waiting to see what Wall Street is going to do. Just wait and see. It takes a little while for them to show us the direction they're going to move. I expect that we're going to see Wall Street take the price higher, but not necessarily, because on the day chart, we are bullish, but on the 4 hour chart, the H4, it's bearish. So we have conflicting indication there of the direction, no clear direction. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, we've kind of been really sideways in a tight range all this week. Although we did set an all-time high of 46.43 earlier this week. But other than that, it's been in kind of a tight range. Not any big drops, not any bigger moves. And today there is no high impact news. No high impact news today from the U.S. So it's just kind of the market moving on its own, closing out the week here on Friday. Oh, a TGIF. Thank goodness it's Friday. I love Fridays. That means I can sleep in tomorrow. I'll just explain to you what you're looking at on the chart. These yellow lines here, these are the support and resistance. This is the previous high, equal highs from earlier today, and the highs there. So that's a resistance line. And then here you have another resistance line. It came up, stopped, went back down. And then here you have more equal highs, equal lows. That's kind of a minor support resistance level there. And here's another one. We had equal lows here all along here, and it was resistance, then became support, and then this one down here. These are all support and resistance lines that we have seen today. And then you've got the previous day low from yesterday, and the previous day high is quite a bit higher up. It's way up here. That's the previous day high from yesterday at 46.32 it was. So now, after the initial start, the first 4 minutes, gold was moving down, but now it's starting to move back up. So I think we will see higher prices during the U.S. session, but you just follow your strategy and decide when you're going to take a trade. What it's done now in the first 5 minutes, it just came down here and hit this support level. It's bounced off of this support level, and now it's making a big move back up. Big move. It's going gangster. Yeah, really, really strong bullish move now from the opening of the New York session. So it might come out up here and take out the Asian high, which was earlier today, or it might not. But again, the overall trend for gold is bullish. But we've had a really big move up, and now it's starting to consolidate, forming a new structure, right, sideways range. So if you've been scalping, then you probably done very well today. This was a good, very short-term, short trade here for an hour or so. You could have got some good profit in here, and even before that moved down, you could have got some profit in there if you're scalping. As far as the day trade goes, it's been a lot of up and down, a lot of whipsaw movement. But now we're seeing a good bullish move to the upside. If you're new here and watching, be sure to like and share. Let me know where you're watching from in the comments. And I will just remind everybody that I have a free trading course. It's a 10 video tutorial, and it's the basic foundation that you need to get started for beginners. It shows you how to sign up with a broker, how to use MT4, MT5, all the functions and features. And it also goes into pending orders, buy limits, sell limits, buy stops, sell stops, and risk management and trading the news. So about 10 video tutorials, absolutely free, no obligation. If you want to get that, let me give you my Telegram address. Right there, just telegram me. My ID is at RickRayFX, and tell me that you want to participate in that free video tutorial course, and I will send you the link and I will send you the password. It is password protected. So if you're interested in that, just let me know. And you can also go to my website, rickrayfx.com, for more information about trading and about prop firms and copy trade and trading robots. rickrayfx.com. So back to the gold chart. Let's see what Wall Street's doing now. Pushed it up to this resistance level here. Was resistance here, and now falling back down. But we do have some bullish action. Looks like we will be moving to higher prices, but it's still early. I mean, Wall Street just opened. It usually takes them a little bit decide what direction we're going to go. It's only been 8 minutes for the opening. Coming back down now. Now trading at 46.06. So staying above that 4,600 level, that's a strong psychological level. We did break below that earlier. This was about an hour and 15 minutes ago. Just came down, liquidity grab, knocked out all of the stock. Everybody's buying, 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 and then London pushed the market down here and took out all the stop losses, grabbed all the pending orders. Now we have liquidity that's fuel for the real move. It looks like the real move might be bullish, and we might go to higher prices. But being Friday and no high impact news, it's a little bit hard to say. As I said, I already took one trade. I got in on this candle here and got out just before it turned direction for about 50 pips. and I don't think I'm likely to take any other trade today. Just depends if I see the good trade setup. If you're watching on YouTube, let me know where you're watching from. I'm also broadcasting on kick.com and sometimes on Instagram. Right now, not broadcasting on Instagram, but on YouTube and Kick. That's the new video channel, kick.com. I didn't know about it until recently, but it's apparently very popular. So getting a pretty strong pullback, but that's just normal. Just, the candles go up and down. Don't chase the candles. Trust your strategy, whatever your strategy is. Is anybody taking a trade on gold? Anybody that's watching, did you go long? Did you go short? Let me know. I already took my trade before the stock market opened. But I'm expecting we will go up. We've already taken out the Asian low, and we took out the previous low from yesterday. So I'm expecting we will have all that liquidity in hand. Now the institutions will go to higher prices and probably take out the Asia high. I doubt that we'll get to the previous day high from yesterday, but you never know. Gold can make big moves in a short period of time. That's why everybody likes to trade it. And that's great if you just get on the right side, if you get the direction correct. Some of you probably already started buying in here, or maybe you were buying here right at the top. And as soon as you click buy, then it started to fall down. And now you're in a loss. So don't chase the candles. This is the M15, the 15-minute chart. Okay. And if you're trading, take a trade, I always wait till the candle will finish because it's a bullish candle now. It could turn bearish before it closes. Always wait till the candle will close before you take a trade. Now it's starting to move back up. You just have to be patient. Just wait. Be patient. That's what we do as traders most of the time. 99% of our time we spend waiting. So some people coming in watching and some people getting out. All right, that's okay. Nobody commenting. So here we go with the next candle. This is the second 15-minute candle, and it looks bullish. The motion is looking bullish. The momentum looks bullish. Finished on bullish engulfing, and now getting the second candle started, looking to continue bullish. So if you go long, be sure you have a stop loss, protect your capital. That's most important. Risk management is so important. All right, guys, I'm going to close out the session. This is the last session for this week. And I do New York every day, Monday to Friday. That's New York session, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I also do Asia Pacific market, and that's 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in New York. All right, that's 8 a.m. Indochina because I live in Southeast Asia. So if you're welcome to join either the New York session or the Asia session or both. And in the Asia session, I go through my strategy and I explain exactly what I do and why I do it. And if there is a trade set up during the session, then I will take that trade. So definitely live trading. So if you want to join that, feel free. If you're watching, don't forget to like and share. That does help the channel. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a great day. TGIF, thank goodness it's Friday. Hope you have a good weekend, and I'll see you again next week.